Hey, yo, I'm Fire King and Ice Skin. Hey, we cooking in the...
Oh, yeah. Hello, guys, and I'm sorry. What's up, guys, and welcome to my son today. Me and Ice King are going to be cooking something pretty special. Oh, it's the PB&J. I apologize for my actions. Oh, okay, sorry, guys, but besides our bickering, what you're gonna need in order to make this is bread and
jelly.
Oh my God, Skippy. And if you don't have Skippy, you cannot do this recipe. I swear to God. If you want some off-brand Peter Pan sucking wham, get out. Let's get to it. First, Ice Cream, would you like to unwrap it?
That's the wrong way.
That's the wrong number.
Wow, and you cracked it. That's wild.
All right, two.
Oh yeah.
Two even slices of bread.
All right, now we'll put this on the left side of the toaster. Done. Yeah, left side.
Where the frick is the toaster?
Are you dry?
All right, you're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes.
Dummy! You dummy!
Oh, my Duolingo's going off.
Did water drop?
My streak.
Did water drop?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Because you're the one who dropped it.
Por favor.
You literally just saw.
You didn't put it down. You dumb!
No, I put it down. Dummy.
Oh. Okay, well.
Alright, God, you wait here for freaking.
Next thing. You know what we're gonna do after we put that plate down?
First shot.
Let's go. Oh, they can't see our faces. Don't
Get on me. No, you're.
Stop! Wipe that jelly. Wipe that jelly.
Show everybody.
I'm awful. Okay!
Shut up before I wipe this on you.
If you do that, I will be in your dreams. Stop.
Now.
You are stupid! Bring that down after this.
Sandwich. Let's cut it.
Get the knife, don't you freaking mess us up. Bro, I swear to God. Okay, so, you got on the phone. Oh, you're so dumb. Ow! Dang, stop playing around too much.
Terrible.
No. So anyways, guys, that is how you make a toasted PB&J. Fucking stupid. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of us cooking, leave a like down below. I'm gonna go eat that snack. I can. You can leave. Please. Ah!